people know you as comedian. So why music? Why producing? Because if they produce TV content, you want to do movie. So why you can't leave comedy? What thing they happen?
Leave comedy.
Because people go think say yes. Because people go look and say basketball. We know they hear them. You know they do comedy again. So what they happen now? They produce TV content. They do adverts. They do. Basketman as script writer, he follow write plenty scripts for flatmate for plenty of una we no know. Plenty script for flatmate. Basketman follow write them. So waiting why?
Okay. So waiting they be saying, I will make because we know to get time.
Yeah, we not get time.
Yes. Talk. So the thing they be say when na music I first love, comedy day. Comedy na just normal. Comedy na wetin be say I no fit come out from my body, no matter wetin happen. Every time I dey write as we dey like this, so me and them.
Yeah.
Sometimes we all sit down. I don't write one this morning. I write one yesterday. Now from talk, we all talk. The team tear. They say, bro, that one enter. Or you carry my phone. No
Write
time down.
down.
So it's still there. But the thing where they be say, I need to sacrifice one thing for the other. So I don't give comedy 23 years of myself. Do you understand? And I don't nurse music. I don't nurse movies and series and sitcoms for so long. I don't prepare myself. So I can't say, okay, you know what? Make a slow small for active stand-up comedy. You understand? Then make I focus on these other ones.
Things,
so I can't tear myself. I you notice that time I stress.
Yes.
I stress. So now because of say I just want to fulfill all the dreams. I don't want day can't look and say, oh, like say I know I for do this one. And I know I feed do am. If na the case where be say I no feed do am, then another thing. But this na things where be say I know. Say they wake up in the morning, they stress me. Bright, do am. And God they make am so easy. No be say it's like see the two-faced matter now.
Yes.
In as much as it dey difficult, God prepare am. To happen. So that's why it happen most times. So based on the way it happen, I don't just want stress am. So if the thing come, na movement, na vibe, na feeling.
Yes, na movement.
So the Papa Benji own na because of say people they complain say they need to see it. They need to feel watch flatmates.
For
DSTV. For DSTV.
For online.
No, sorry. They know they feel access if people are abroad,
no, they feel access
their flatmates. So I can say, okay, you know what? Marco could create something
for online.
So I can say, okay, this Papa Benji, I will do them for free. So I can go meet sponsors, get them so that they can fund the project. You know, just honor to satisfy the people where they there.
Yeah.
Then that's how we do 2 seasons with them, and I won't do more. So we talk about doing some other things because. I want get some other ideas where they will be say it would be nice where I will bring out too.
Yeah.
Then for flatmates, you know why flatmates not something we say we get to do for the movie own. You don't know how me I be for movies.
Yeah,
you know, I be movie freak. It dey bad. I know if you talk the kind films where I no like because people go feel say to the but the films where people they feel say a great film. I know they rate them. So based on that, I can say, okay, Bright, why not just make your own? You understand? Create something safe before you go feed the talk. Many they talk every time they say no, it wasn't good. Do your own.
So now you now your own critique.
Do your own thing. No, they only talk, not talk. Say this one no work. So that's the reason why even with flatmates, when we can do Ghana Jollof now, I look and say, okay, Bright, flatmates at this level. What's next? What thing you want to do? What is the next after flatmate? What are you doing next? So when I come up with Ghana Jollof, now God give me that one. And that one come. I tell God say if this thing happen, I go know say now you give me, and I go know say this thing go work. And as the thing just happen, now I say okay, now you give me, and in 6 months, bam, it don't work. And it's the easiest ever in my entire life where they create things. I wrote Ghana Jollof, flight duration from Ghana back to Lagos. Create them, give the first people, they no take them, but already the thing don't day. So the other people just come, Showmark just through come. I say, Baba, I get this one. And then see and then love them. Instantly under 1 week, approved. The week after, there'll be 2 weeks after production don't start. So you see those kind of things. Now make me need the slack because God they make them easy.
Easy for you.
Yeah. So That's why the next one I want the movie own, not the one in don't make him. You don't put everything in place.
Yes.
So now I'm like, why are you not doing it?
Yeah.
Do you get? So now I would even get one time maybe say the thing can't spoil. Do you understand?
But 19 they pick up again.
No, now I purposely you know the story now. I know you get on this one never want to talk yet.
I
We'll
know.
talk and very soon. So I need to make the movie again
Yeah.
with
Now, you know they make the movie.
no with again
for
with
now.
these guys.
Yeah.
So I did do the movie on my own. So they get the way God used do things where I know seeing a hand inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then the next project now, the year don't run down.
Yeah.
By God's grace, we don't see them. We go see them.
Yeah.
Of course, now shows and all those stuff, and gigs and all those stuff. But then next year your project will start again.
Next year I will go back to full stand-up comedy again.
Okay, you they do London next
I do
year.
not London. I want you start.
Start.
So all the things where they write scenes, maybe so they create.
Okay.
Or I just they prepare myself. 'Cause I don't want you to say make I dey do stand up. You understand? I say they work. I say they get my small gigs here and there. But you need the.
Okay. So now next year you go come back again into
And next
comedy.
year I want enter inside from February. My first show now I'll come because the kind of things where I want talk like the voice. That's why I name them the voices in my head. I want talk rubbish. Where? I won't bring. It's that basket mouth of 1998. That year, I won't bring them. I'll scratch them. That kind 2005. Come carry that part. Come carry and mix with the new craze. Come squeeze them. Then just talk rubbish like this.
No, the only basket I get a doctor.
Doctor said. And Paladin.
You dey always forget Paladin name.
You know, see the guy in the day background. So we keep out. We don't say we forget her. We just the bone arm sometimes, you know.
Pride, may not get pride.
Maybe to get pride. You know, see all these small children, you know.
Basket. Oh, basket. Why you define trouble this time around? Why trouble?
Why trouble?
Why trouble?
So wetin happen be say the beat, the trouble na from the beat. Like so when Dr. Sebi make the beat, yes, so they vibe the beat for inside. How that beat this beat now?
So
Are
this
they
beat,
sleep, Abi?
No. Wait till happen. I say now I wake up for morning, start the
Okay.
make the beat. So I make them reach one place, then you can't come.
Okay.
I can't play the beat. You can't say see make I do like this. May I give you?
Yeah.
So that
Okay,
was
you
like-
just dey freestyle on top the beat. No be say anything.
no.
Yeah,
I just
I
dey
remember
catch
that.
my
You know, they
phone. I
catch
start for
proof.
morning. I just dey.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah,
I will post am for
I just
Instagram.
play,
Say
come.
I dey even you know.
Yeah.
I even dey my
Listen.
Instagram. Yeah, so no be say na.
As I hear the
serious.
thing, I say wait to something there.
Yeah.
I just give me no worry.
Yeah.
Now I carry the beat enter market.
Are you serious?
Now if I can't
So
say.
what we call the jam,
Yeah.
So the way the beats they sound, so man, this thing a trouble. So now that kind vibe, right? Even when Two-Face self hear and that kind same vibe.
So
now
as you
get.
hear the beat, Two-Face come your mind. Abi Two-Face also hear the beat. Come feel like say man, I suppose they on top this one.
So what the way we do and we say like when he make the beats,
Yeah.
the three of us will come the vibe to the beat. So 90% of the time, I go just say, man, and this person get this
beat. Okay, fine.
You understand? And he will just say, okay, that's true. He will agree. Sometimes they go say, you sure? I can't relax more. Check him
again.
Yeah.
But most times, they always the right. Anyway.
Now you now. Now you now.
The thing is that I dey hear their voice on them. No be say I dey find them
Yeah.
on the song.
Yeah.
So and Paladin self dey help in a way be say like if the beats they go, Paladin go come the vibe to ram.
Yes.
So I seen the vibe to ram. So something go give me some artist vibe.
Yes.
I go say okay, this can work. This can work. Then you go drop another one. So that's what they do.
Oh, that's nice.
But this beat nah the beat nah drive itself.
Nine drive the title.
But now
like-
Two-Face nah title the song.
Song.
Nah,
Yeah, trouble.
the thing can't start. Two-Face just the vibe because if I tell now the story self, just since we did here. When I dey try catch Two-Face, I don't want send them the beat.
Okay.
I want making day with me. More hear the beat together. So we don't try catch ourselves for like 3 months or
Wow.
more. Yeah.
3
Me
months
and
to get
Two-Face,
basket, to get
I
Two-Face.
swear.
So those of now where they always say waiting they do if they do like star, if they do like this, if they do like that. You they hear them now for 3 months. In they try to
I dey
catch
catch Two-Face.
Two-Face. He
Friend,
had to
my own
catch.
best friend.
He had for him to catch
the past 3
Two-Face.
months actually. The past 3 months.
Una
it
they
was
hear
more
him.
than- it was more
Una
than
go they
3
say
months.
he do this, he do that.
No,
You don't hear him.
guy is on a level.
Yeah.
But na that level we did. So if I chase him small, I go leave him. If
Yeah.
I chase him again, I go leave him. Until one day, Now for night now.
Yeah. For
I just call him, he just say, in just the land. Say, mo see now.
Ah.
That's why I say, oh yeah, mo.
So if they say you allow and reach house, you go sleep.
My brother, you don't
Then you
end,
no
we
go
go
meet
start
am
again. Before we go get time, he don't travel.
Yeah.
Or me don't travel.
Yeah.
So now, so I come the apartment,
Yeah.
abi?
Come apartment.
Come the apartment, we jam the beat for him. In love the beat. Instantly, now he jump on the beat.
Mm.
Kill the song. Now there and then now,
Yeah.
vibe.
You can't talk say you can't want this thing.
Oh yo, no. So I dey make
Yeah,
mistake.
yeah,
I can't.
yeah,
I don't know if he see him first. I got that. Okay, take the beat.
Yes.
He can't like the beat. So I
Yes.
see him come. He just the vibe to the beat.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
He come with the ginger.
He come with the ginger and I say him jam. Yeah.
Yeah.
So he can't jump on the stuff. Sorry, I don't do this thing to me with too many people. I dey
Yeah,
mix
so they
everybody's
mix
story.
everybody up.
So now what you go happen is I seen vibe and finish. He can't carry this. He can't touch him or send them to Ram.
Mm.
But before he leave, he say, no. He leave, can't send me message. Say, can you get Black Bones
On this.
on this song?
Yeah.
I say consider it done because already we don't need to discuss Black Bones.
Okay.
So it was now very easy.
Yeah.
Now I tell Black Bones. Immediately I tell Black Bones. That one self just
Jump on that too.
jump
on
in
that.
that instantly.
Instantly.
I call him that same day come. That same day drop him.
Yeah.
Carry him go. Finish him. Now I can tell Ino say okay no vex so. But you see that your first verse. I would like me take him again. Now I can take another 2 months.
What?
Yeah. Yeah. Now the mistake where I make, I try say man, since waiting because I hear the song. Cause I feel hear the song 1 million times.
Yeah.
I dey hear the song now. I can say man, I want me not take. So me and him, in the don't say if you walk him out. I say
Yeah.
no. I want me to take him again.
Yeah.
So I wait that 2 months. So him go Yankee, come back, go everywhere. I say I'll wait. One morning, that time we just lost Sultan because that time we lost Sultan. I died the
Everything
matter.
shut down.
For
yes,
another,
for
like, 1
everybody,
month.
almost
Yeah,
everybody.
yeah,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So around, I don't chase in or I come bone. I just wake up around 3:30 a.m. Man go,
Mhm.
As I stand up now, I see missed call. Now I check na na normal. Do you understand? I saw in the call. Now I call him. He say, hey guy, oh boy, my call now. Mo you run that
For
song.
3 a.m.
Yeah. Why you call now? Mo run that. I say nah. I just.
That's so your eye go clear.
My brother, I just call as God they doing thing. This one, they just they wake up. This for some funny reason,
All of us there.
they just wake up. Say man, they just get ginger. Now me, I just call them. So boy, how far? When I do okay, say I'm gonna run am. A day before, we dey decide where we want stay. We just stay apartment. We go work on music. A day before, I just tell them say man, I like more create some stuff. We come book one apartment. I don't know why we go book that apartment.
Can you
I
imagine?
know say we dey book am for him not
For
to
you
come.
not to come.
So them just they wake up him, Paladin and Tayo. Then they ginger. They know say me they call it Wala. And now I call and say not they come. I got there, innocent, can't reach there like 15 minutes later. Song end.
For
We walked
3
till like
a.m.
5:30
Yeah.
to 6, 9 can go
Yeah.
house.
Work to 6.
What a fun day, man.
And it was sweet. We laughed.
I think that day was like the best day because
Of that
imagine
regret.
starting your day by 3 o'clock, 3 a.m.
3
Started your
a.m.
day
with
3
something
a.m.
that
with
this
something
good.
This good.
So truly say that they say no sleep for lazy man.
No sleep for lazy man. I stand up immediately. Na pajamas now.
Yes, now everybody
I
don't.
no change because I don't want to wake the house. Nobody bath.
And
We
this song
just
was ready.
I just dey.
All right. So
Only in dress up.
Yeah, only interest.
Then the crazy thing when he do that day, he just enter. I think park finish because now he drive himself. Nobody drive him.
yeah, because
It's not done.
Yeah.
You know, na life for who now? So he just drive come. I see enter sit down. Now he just look me. He say, Sans Sultan say, I greet you. The whole room just go quiet.
quiet.
After like 5 minutes. We no talk about that. We just was a crazy night though.
Yeah. All right, so I don't hear am now. Trouble take start be that, and then the finished job. Now be this one at the here, and then the video self drop recently. When you drop the video,
We dropped the video the same day with the song, but we no push the
Yeah.
video.
Yeah.
And that's
Now
what
this
I'm saying,
September.
11th. 11th
September
of,
11th.
no. November.
October.
Last month.
November.
November 11th.
Because I know say you just we did London when you drop am.
Yes.
We did London.
Yes.
Yeah, I see your message. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, so now I don't hear now waiting as the trouble take start with that, and then it did every platform. Just go on top all the platform where if you download your song, make you go
Yes.
there, go download this particular trouble where we they talk
Yeah,
about.
the song Moko no to make the song sweet. No, the song sweet.
Yeah, the song sweet.
Exactly.
So
I like
make-
this one.
Make una go download this particular song, and then but this song na part of the album.
Now part of the album. Now the second song will they drop. The first one and the one with Buju,
Yes.
and that one don't drop. I think it drop on the 11th, on the 14th of September.
September. Okay, yes. Now that one at the mix up. Say it drop
Yeah.
September.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
September
now that
first.
one be your body.
Your body.
with
Buju.
with Buju.
Now look now, keep on look. I was be at level now.
Your body.
Your
now.
body, your body,
What did
Now
you
your
talk-
body,
like your
your
body?
body. No, now your body for English. Now your body.
Your
The
body.
song for you now your body.
Now
Come
your
be like
body.
say no be the song they talk about. Come be like say
If
no my
you use
body.
and sing the song, no sweet to make her touch your body, your body, make her touch your body.
Now your body now. Na pigeon now.
But trouble na dope song.
Yeah.
Very one of like when the song ready. I'm like now the song na me are the most excited about the most because of how we make it.
Yeah.
It took us 8 months in total
Seriously.
to
Wow.
make them, and every week working.
something day.
Yeah.
on top.
Either they change the beat or one thing they happen.
Yeah.
Then when the whole thing come, now this man can't change things again.
Yeah.
So I feel I work for him.
So in all now, you don't get nearly. I know say they sing before. Plenty people don't know. Yeah, but in all now, you don't get nearly 20 songs now. Yeah, nearly 20 songs. Which one scatter you pass? Which one trip you pass? You don't work with plenty guys, oh.
I know.
Umo Bilibo,
Yeah.
Buju, Two Face, everybody. Oh.
Yeah, but I don't want to make anybody feel bad.
No.
But the song with the
You know the funny thing about song, make people for no feel bad. Make I give you a typical example.
Yeah.
Nice release. Nice say the song way trip and pass for an album. Now photocopy. Yet photocopy, I don't think say photocopy give am one award.
no.
Yeah.
Now Gongwaso and
And
street
street
credibility
Yeah.
give am most of the awards.
Yeah.
But in saying him
And
as
this
a
one.
person, say see the song wey be saying don't feel say he saying right, cancel am, right again.
Yeah.
In work, Kabasa say he don't do, he say no.
It's spe-
Say
it's
man,
special
this
to
song.
him.
At the end,
Yeah.
the song no give am one award.
Yeah.
But I like
But-
that song, Shao.
Yes, I like am.
Photocopy,
Photocopy, go
yeah.
easy. I like the song.
Yeah.
But now Gongwaso when you just freestyle,
Ah,
he
that
not even
song-
like the song.
that song.
Now play,
yeah,
take and
man.
play. Yes. So which of your songs? I know all of your songs. You dey work
Yeah.
hard. I know you. So, but which of them you feel your own personally?
We be say for the the one way be say for jam am every time we are jam
If they give you good
it
bumps,
dey give
everything.
me na Udo.
Udo,
Yes, with Il Bliss and Peruzzi.
can you imagine? Me, I even think say na the one with flavor. Me, I think say na the one with flavor.
No.
You see?
Now the one with if I play Udo like this, I don't mad.
See, like,
You go see I must stand up the
Yeah,
shout.
yeah.
Nah, they are crazy. If you want make a craze, just play Udo.
see, like, can you imagine? Big respect to this man. I love
Big
and
respect to you too.
Yeah,
You're na correct guy. You're na guy wey be say most people don't know, but you're na one of those my friends wey my party call
Yes.
personally. They gist with, they discuss my matter. You're na one of the friends wey they pray for me. Sometimes
Yes,
you don't call me.
247. I see-
Pray
I
with
dey
me.
Pray for you. I dey pray for you.
Then you know kind of things, but no be reason person they talk. No be all social media explain.
All right, Basket, thank you so much for stopping by.
I just want to talk
Yeah.
rubbish. Why I be like this?
Talk next time. You go be.